Hello lovelies, thanks for tuning in to On the Glow right here on She Connects TV. Today I want to talk about fish collagen and its benefits. It's also known as marine collagen, and from what I've been told, it is the fountain of youth. Fish collagen, sourced from the scales, skin, bones, and fins of fresh or saltwater fish, helps regenerate tissue and is known to have the best absorption and bioavailability to other animal sources. What that means is that fish collagen, which you can get through fish stock, supplements, or beauty foods, can absorb into the body 1.0 times more effectively and efficiently in your body and quicker into the bloodstream. It is known as an antioxidant powerhouse, and it's very vital to all our core organs in our body. And it's also one of the best sources of collagen for medicinal use, according to my research. Chrissy Blair, co-founder of Kalumi Beauty Food, based in Los Angeles. I met up with her recently. Her and her partner Jayla have actually launched a series of healthy protein bars which contain marine collagen and other superfoods. Here's what she has to say about marine collagen.
So this is kind of your all-in-one. That's what we're going for. So not only does it contain 12 grams of marine collagen, which is the recommended amount to take daily to see noticeable results for hair, skin, and nails. It's the reason we use marine collagen as well is because it's actually the most bioavailable source of collagen. There's bovine and porcine sources, and they're not as bioavailable, meaning we don't absorb them as easily. And then not only that, but it's the superior source specifically for hair, skin, and nails. So there's type 1, type 2, type 3 collagen, and the type that we're including in marine collagen is the type that's exactly what you want for hair, skin, and nails.
Collagen is one of the most abundant natural proteins in our body. Anti-aging, bone healing, and regeneration of our skin cells are all fundamental through getting enough collagen in your system. There are many ways you guys can get it. It's whether it's through the fish stock or the bone broths, to the supplements, to all the natural foods that you guys eat. Do your research, find out what works best for you. Guys, please stay connected with me through our She Connects social media accounts, and of course, subscribe to our YouTube channel, She Connects TV. And remember guys, keep glowing.